All right, so hopefully you can hear me over how loud this thing is. This is a 2016 Corvette 3LT Z51. The paint color is blade silver metallic. We get adrenaline red leather. Powertrain's gonna be, well, I'll show you in a minute, but it's made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. A little over 42,000 miles on it. High intensity discharge headlamps, LED daytime running lights. And you hear that sound, I'm gonna show you what that is after a while. This thing's crazy. 19-inch wheels on the front. Then 20-inch wheels on the back. Passive keyless entry. And then we have our memory seat functions here, power door lock controls, Bose sound system, one-touch up and down windows, door release there. And if you're ever locked in and the electronics are gone, pull this latch here, that opens it. Power mirror controls, heads-up display controls, trunk release, parking sensors. There are the pedals. We get a power tilt telescoping steering wheel. And there's that beautiful adrenaline red interior. It's a power driver seat, power lumbar support there. Now I want to give a big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Vet today. I'll leave a link below in the description. Looking to find the best price on something closer to home, click on that second link down below. I'll make sure the local dealers are finding you the best price on a used Vet or any used vehicle you might be interested in. Now I will say this thing is cammed. It's had a bunch of work done. It's really just, it's silly, it's stupid, it's crazy. There's the cargo space there. And there's the power front passenger seat, power lumbar support. You have your temperature and then your heated, cooled seat buttons over there. See if I can hit the hood release, if I can find it. There it is. So I hit it from this side. Glove box is there. This thing has so much work that's been done to it, it's crazy. But all the add-ons and stuff are not with the car. At least not right now. But look at this. So y'all let me know what you think about this thing in the comments, because I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and then I'm gonna take it for a drive. But I'm gonna go over the features real quick. Leather wrapped steering wheel, flat bottom, horn there. Now for the audio, you'll have to have this thing up pretty loud if you're trying to actually listen to something. But AM, FM, XM, and then we also have Bluetooth audio, and you have wired CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility there. Navigation systems right here. Type your destination in there. Weather app when hooked up, or with a subscription I should say. And then you have the performance data recorder there, which is probably fun for a car like this, just because it's probably gonna do some crazy numbers that aren't stock. Can barely feel my hands. It's freezing out here. Again, that's why I want to let it warm up a little bit. But XM traffic and all that when you have the subscription there. Backup cameras there, guidelines follow you as you turn the steering wheel. And then you also have the front curbside cameras there. Make sure you don't hit the curb. And then your settings here, you can fool with all of that. Language can be adjusted. And then your vehicle settings, you can fool with all of that as well. Now Again, 3-stage heated cool front seats. We have our automatic climate controls. And again, it's dual zone. Knob for the driver's side is here, or when it's synced, it's here. And then for the front passenger, it's right there. Which I like how they did that. It's actually pretty smart. Your hazards are there if you ever need them. Volume knob. And then you have access to a hidden compartment behind the screen here. And there's a USB-A port. This is actually aftermarket, I believe. That's pretty neat. Now for the 8-speed, grab the lever, reverse, neutral drive, manual. You can use these paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. When I put this thing in drive, it's just shaking. And then your drive modes can be adjusted here. Tour, Sport, Track, your weather, and then your Eco. I'm gonna leave it in Sport for now. And then your electronic parking brake, pull up to engage, hit the brake, press down to disengage. Center console cubby space, not huge, but you have a USB, well, 2 USB-A ports and then an aux input along with the 12 volts, so you can fit a short cord and then your phone in there. And there's a look at the back. And of course, if you want to, you can take the top off, hit all the latches. Garage door transmitters here, vanity mirrors there. Now back to the steering wheel. Blinkers, high beams. You can set the headlamps to auto. And then you have your intermittent wipers here. One time off, intermittent low, high. You can adjust that intermittent frequency there. Now you can go through your radio station favorites track list here. Then your audio, down, up, cruise control, set the speed, cancel, mute, voice recognition. And these 4 arrows can go through all the options you have in the middle of the gauge cluster there. And then you can go down here to your settings and change your units of measurement. Well, I missed it. Try that again. And then you can change your units of measurement from US to metric if you so choose. Display theme, all of that there. And then my favorite thing about this is just the performance gauges. Pull up your G-force and all of that. All the fun stuff. Heads-up display. You look closely right there in the middle. Push button start. Finally, here's the key fob with remote start. And I'm going to try and let this thing heat up just a tad more before I take it out on the road. But next I'm going to go ahead and take this 2016 Corvette Z51 3LT out on the road for a test drive. So starting the test drive in this Procharged Vet. It's nasty. It is nasty. I mean, I barely am giving it anything, but the Procharger, my gosh. This thing has enough freaking low-end torque as it is, but it just, as soon as you give it anything, the tires just start spinning. And where it's been cammed and everything, it's just so freaking loud. Now I'm gonna get on this thing, but I'm not gonna do it from a stop because this thing will just start sliding all over the place. And honestly, I don't even know if this transmission should be handling what this thing is doing. But my gosh, it's loud. It's so freaking loud. Just gonna leave it in 5th and give it a slight pull. Ah! Yeah, it's wild. It really is. It's freaking insane. I mean, it's just, this is something that you just take out when it's a nice day. It's fun to drive, and you just want to just make freaking exhaust sounds that can be heard 10 miles away. This is wild. Now, I'm impressed with how the car is actually handling the Procharger with it being cammed and all the exhaust work, the headers and all of that, but whew, it's just a freaking beast. But so freaking loud. It's insane how loud this thing is. I'm gonna put it in a drive. Just crazy how loud this thing is. Now this is like I think a 46, 50 grand car. And for what you get here, I mean, it's fun. It's freaking, it's insane. I mean, I don't even know if the camera, like the mic is doing this thing justice with how loud it is. It is wild, just absolutely wild. Now, I do want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to drive this thing today. I'll leave a link below to this car in the description. If you have the money and you want this, get it. You won't be disappointed. But if you're looking to find something closer to home, maybe not something that's Procharged and canned and all of that, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your info. I'll make sure the dealers are fighting to get you the best price on a used Vette or any pre-owned vehicle you might be looking for in your area. But it's I'm gonna floor guy this guy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just this thing is so much freaking fun, man. Makes me really want this car, but I am legit afraid of it. It pulls like no other. And again, the C7s, they've always been, with them being rear wheel drive and just the front mounted engine, all of that, it likes to kick out quite a bit from the back end, but this just takes it to a whole other level. It's wild, absolutely wild how this car drives. The pickup's insane, the sound's insane, everything about this car is just insane. But if I could afford this, gosh, I would not be disappointed. And I bet it's even louder with like the top off and all that, just having the wind in your hair, windows down. Man, just a wild car. That's the best way to describe it. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2016 Corvette Z51 3LT Procharged Vette.